Any food you have in mind to start search.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
I see. You like hamburger. All right. There are 1,751 recipes available for your selection. Is there something you don't eat?
Garlic and ginger.
These are ingredients you don't like, garlic and ginger. I don't like garlic and ginger too. Now we have 943 options left. Do you want the first one, a random recipe, or the most recent recipe?
The most recent recipe.
You pick the most recent recipe. Here is the recipe, cheesy shell taco bites. Ingredients in this recipe, shredded cheddar cheese, hamburger, taco seasoning, salsa, cheddar cheese, sour cream, avocado, cilantro. Do you want to try it?
Yes, I can try it.
Your answer is, yes, I can try it. This is another recipe, Joe Hollandaise hamburgers. Ingredients in this recipe, hamburger buns, Old Bay seasoning, ground beef, pretzels, onion, thyme, oregano, egg. Steps of this recipe. Wash your goddamn hands. Set hamburger buns aside. In large mixing bowl, combine all other ingredients and knead together. Create big patties from resulting mixture. Grill patties on medium-high heat on grill, 5 or so minutes per side. Remove cooked patties from grill and place on 2 bottom buns, covering with top buns.